Hi, Jignasa. Welcome to this particular interview. I want to understand from you about how you reached your desired band levels and how our program helped you. Okay, so I just have a bunch of questions to ask you. Firstly, can you just introduce yourself a bit and then tell us a little bit about your IELTS preparation?
Okay. Hi, ma'am. Thanks for having me. I'm Jignasa Thanki Chelavda. I stay in Porbandar, Gujarat, and I'm a doctor by profession. And we've been planning to migrate to Canada since I think 2017. And I thought IELTS would be a great hurdle for me. Since I've been studying English since the first grade, I thought it would be very easy for me to crack this exam, but maybe I was wrong. Recently, I gave my exam and I got my result on the 31st of October, and I scored an overall band of 8. And individually, I scored 9 in listening, 7 in reading, 8 in speaking, and 7.5 in writing.
All right. Nice to know, Jignasa. So, was this your first attempt, the exam that you had written?
No, the exam that I gave on the 31st was my third attempt. The first attempt, I gave it last year, and I was lacking 0.5 and 1 band in writing and speaking. So those were the tough sections for me.
All right. Okay. So what was your weakest section in all the 3 attempts, Jignasa? And can you just give me a little bit of strategies on how you overcame those weaknesses?
Okay. As I said, I've been studying in English since the first grade, so I really thought it would be very easy. And so the first attempt which I gave last year, I did not prepare much. I just randomly followed certain videos on YouTube and some material that I studied, and I gave the exam. And I could not score in speaking and writing. Listening and reading were not a problem for me, but these 2 sections, writing and speaking, I just did not understand why I scored so less. Then my brother was attending some classes for IELTS, and he suggested that I should join Grassroot and attend one of their free lectures. So I did so, and the first section that I attended was for the speaking section, and I really loved the way Abhishek sir explained all the details and how to attempt the exam and how to go about all the types of questions that they were asked. So I thought of going for it, and I took up that fast track program from the Grassroot Education. And yes, I like the strategy a lot because they have their weekend classes and also the study rooms that are there in the week. And the best thing that I like about Grassroot is that they follow a certain schedule. As in, they follow 1 week for speaking, 1 week for writing, 1 week for listening, and then so on. So this is something that I really liked. I could give time off from my schedule and study according to the questions and the practices that they were giving me.
Okay. But what specifically helped you in writing and speaking? As in, because you mentioned that they were your weakest sections.
I joined. The thing that helped me a lot was that the way I have to attempt a question. No matter how good you are at writing, or no matter how good you are at vocabulary and grammar, it will not help you until and unless you try to attempt the question according to what the IELTS wants you. They have a certain requirement, and the band descriptors that they score you on is supposed to be fulfilled.
What happened, in your writing and speaking section after your first attempt?
Okay, after my first attempt, there was a long gap, so I did not get much time to prepare. But whenever I did, I went through a lot of magazines and newspapers and came and just started watching random TV shows which were in English. Yeah, that's it. That's all I used to do. And apart from that, I didn't really practice much because I was not sure when I'll be giving the exam again because of the COVID situation. Once the exams started being scheduled, I think in the mid of July, that's when I decided that I'll give the exam again. and that's when I started preparing again for it. But from my busy schedule, I was not able to get much time off. But slowly, whenever I did, I used to practice speaking. I used to speak with my husband. And since I stay in Gujarat, and at my workplace, I do not have any colleagues or any staff to whom I can speak to them in English. So this was a task for me because I did not have a partner. So usually when I used to come back home, I used to talk to my husband, or just random talks I used to have. When I used to drive to work, I used to talk to myself in English, any random talk, and I think that's how it helped me. And that's it. And when it comes to writing, I started searching for different vocabulary through Google. For instance, if I say that if I want to write an essay on environment, I would say vocabulary for environment, and I would note down all the points or all the words or the vocabulary that was given on Google, and then start using them in my speaking as well as in writing. So that's how I started having new words and set of new words for different topics.
All right.
And the question bank that the grassroots gave me, that was just great. It had a wide range of all different sorts of questions, even for speaking as well as for writing. So I started attempting those questions again and again whenever I got time. So yeah, I think that's what helped me the most.
That's great, Jignasa. Glad that you finally reached your desired score. So also, specifically speaking, other than the question bank, what other kind of resources did you use, the resources that we provided?
Other than that, I just went through the Cambridge book of IELTS, the volume 12, 13 and 14. I think I went through all the questions and the tests that were given in that book. The weekly tests and the practice that were conducted, I think that's what helped me, because I still remember in listening and reading also, the level of questions that were given to me during practice were very difficult. So I think I could challenge myself there that I should be able to attempt it properly. And even for speaking, lots of questions were given to me during the speaking week itself. The main problem that I had in speaking was that I was not able to talk at length on any topic that was given to me. Even though I was confident about my speaking, but this was a problem that I had to overcome. And I think, the strategies that were given to me by you were totally great, and I think that worked well for me. I just started practicing accordingly to start speaking and just have any random story about the topic that was given to me, and I think that's what helped me to speak at length.
What advice do you have to other students as who are preparing for IELTS and who want to reach that magical score of 8,777? What advice do you have for them?
The only advice, I think, the mistake that I made in my first 2 attempts is that maybe I was a little too overconfident that I could easily get the score band without much practice. I think hard work is the only key to success, and that's the only way you will do great. Keep practicing as much as you can, and whenever possible, try to read as much as English that comes across, and try to speak as much as you can. I think that's the only way to improve.
Thanks so much for sharing your thoughts about your preparation. And I'm sure the other students who are watching this will gain inspiration from you.